ki khubor ka batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loomso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Section break! Watches! Section break!
PTS Coffee took charge as Commandant of Central Training Academy, New Haven, Germany. POC for CSSR and NSR at NISA Hyderabad, various courses in NCDC, Nagpur, and then NDIF Academy, Nagpur. Awarded gold medal in the 30th Communication for Civil Defense System course at NDIF Academy, Nagpur.
Hado prapu prangut ki senrang bad khat laingut ki kentei haka arpu hundreu terik ubunai naiwing arajar arpuwei kila sha penkop buram haka passing out parade hadin bakila pendapnya ke Jinghikai Pyntbit haka tanat home guards and civil defense yagani ke jing penkop buram la penlong has Central Training Institute jong civil defense and home guards kabadan hamau diang Shillong ha kaba uba AR Mautho ubadai Commandant General jong tanat home guards but director jong katanat civil defense ulalong kongsan hagani Hagajing penkop buram le don lang Commandant jong Central Training Institute katanat civil defense and home guards uba WH kongsngi ula pentip sha kibala sakhi lang hagani gasngi hagabaya day bat ki Jinghikai sha kini kit khot jong katanat civil defense but katanat home guards.
इस वक्त आज के मुख्य अतिथि श्री AR माथुर IPS दर्शन वाहन पर दीक्षांत परेड निरीक्षण करने के लिए प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं.
At this time, Shri AR Mautho, IPS, is going to inspect the Dikshant parade. This officer, having served at various capacities as SP West Hospitals, SP East Hospitals, Principal PTS, Commandant 1st MLP Battalion, Commanding Officer SF-10, and DIG Eastern Village. DIG Training Director MPA and at present is holding the post of Inspector General of Police, holding the charge as Commandant General Home Guard and Director Civil Defense. In service in 2011 and the prestigious President.
Section break!
अब निशान टोली प्रवेश ग्राउंड में प्रवेश करेगा. दर्शकों से अनुरोध है कि जैसे ही राष्ट्रीय गान का धुन बजेगा राष्ट्रीय ध्वज के सम्मान में अपने स्थान पे खड़े हो जाए एवं वर्दीधारी सलूट करें. निशान टोली राष्ट्रीय ध्वज और अपने ही ध्वज के साथ मैदान नदी के बीच राष्ट्रीय ध्वज के साथ प्रवेश कर रहे हैं. इस वक्त
At this time, the national flag along with the unit flag is being marched to the center of the field to the tune of the national anthem.
Section break! Commanders! Check out!
और अपने ही ध्वज के साथ चौथा बैच रिक्रूट गार्डमैन को ध्वज छूकर शपथ ग्रहण करा रहे हैं। इस वक्त आज का ये ऐतिहासिक दिन हमेशा याद दिलाते रहेंगे अपने देश के प्रति अपनी जिम्मेदारी, कर्तव्य, उत्तरदायित्व, श्रद्धा और निष्ठा हर तरह से लड़ने के लिए अनुभव दिलाते रहेंगे।
The fourth batch recruit guardsmen are taking the oath by touching the national flag and uniform.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform my assigned duties, fulfill my responsibility towards the citizen of the country, even if I have to sacrifice my life. So help me God.
परेड कमांडर बंसनलाल सरबनी और परेड 2 आईसी हिरुलिन खरमंदाई प्लाटून के साथ कूच करने के लिए प्रस्थान कर रहे हैं। आप सभी से अनुरोध है कि आप सब अपना ध्यान सामने की तरफ ले जाएं। आप देखेंगे कि कंटिजेंट अपने स्थान ले रहे हैं।
Approaching the dais is Platoon 1 with a strength of 20 jawans under the command of Recruit Guardsman Meban Yalang Langstang. Approaching the dais is Platoon 2 with a strength of 20 jawans under the command of Recruit Guardsman Dominic Richard Lingdorf. Approaching the dais is Platoon 4 with a strength of 20 to 1 under the command of Recruit Guardsman Ishan Rajri. The broad band is under the command of Sub-Inspector Sri K.K. Bhattacharya and the pipe band is under the command of Havildar Sri R.C. Lamari.
प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं रिक्रूट गार्डमैन डोमिनिक रिचर्ड इंदौर। नंबर 3 प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं रिक्रूट गार्डमैन लंबोर मुक्तर। नंबर 4 प्लाटून का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं रिक्रूट गार्डमैन ईशान राजरी। बैंड प्लाटून परेड को जोश देती हुई जिनमें शामिल है ब्रास बैंड और पाइप बैंड। ब्रास बैंड का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं उप निरीक्षक श्री A.K. बसुमतारी और पाइप बैंड का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं हवलदार श्री R.C. lamari।
Distribute the medals and trophies to all the winners who have performed exceptionally well throughout their training.
Hats off to the recruits for the impressive drill and parade. Thank you so much. At the outset, I would like to congratulate all the recruit guardsmen of Civil Defense and Home Guards who have successfully completed that basic training here in the Central Training Institute. I warmly welcome the recruit guardsmen to the Civil Defense and Home Guards family. Today, this batch of 88 recruits, consisting of 75 males and 13 females, will pass out from this training center after completion of nearly 1 year of basic training. I am glad to know that the recruits were trained in physical fitness, drill, weapon handling, fieldcraft, search and rescue during disaster, first aid, firefighting, field engineering, basic counter-insurgency operations, etc. The recruits have also been imparted requisite knowledge and skill to prepare them physically and mentally to face the challenges ahead. I sincerely thank the instructors of CTI for their tireless efforts to ensure that the best training is imparted to the recruits. I would like to convey my sincere appreciation to the Commandant CTI who took personal interest to ensure that the best possible training is imparted, besides keeping a close watch concerning the well-being of the recruits. I take this opportunity to salute the recruits and other personnel who voluntarily donated blood to those in need. Your selfless gift is priceless and indeed is a huge blessing to those whose survival depends on the blood donated by you. I assure you that your contribution will be duly recognized. Officers and other personnel involved in imparting training have displayed utmost dedication and professionalism of a high standard. I am sure the recruits have benefited considerably from this training center and must have undergone rigorous training under the watchful eyes of the instructors. You will definitely feel a sense of pride and accomplishment after successfully completing your basic course. Basic training is aimed to prepare you mentally and physically to face the challenges that you will encounter in your service career. This indeed will be the most memorable moment in your career. Remember, completion of basic training is just the beginning, where the foundation is laid to prepare you for the journey ahead in your career. Some of you will be inducted in the SDRF for disaster management, others in security related duties, district training centers, and civil defense. Once you join your respective units, you will begin to understand your duties and responsibilities and what is expected of you. Technology is a part and parcel of the modern world, and it's only appropriate for us to keep pace with these developments in our respective field of expertise. If we are able to utilize the benefits that technology provides, we will definitely be able to give a good account of ourselves in our respective area of responsibility. Right from the start of your career, you should be inquisitive and should not hesitate to approach your seniors with questions to clear whatever doubts you may have in your mind. Knowledge is a never-ending process, and one can learn new things every day. If you want to do well in your service career, you need to work hard. And I would like to remind you that there's no shortcut to success. If you fail to work sincerely from the early stage of your career, you'll find the going very difficult as you progress in your career. You should have a clear idea concerning your duties and responsibilities and what is expected of you as members of the Civil Defense and Home Guards Department. Remember, you are here to serve and not to be served, and you need to serve the people and state with courage, determination, dedication, and integrity. We should be prepared to sacrifice our lives in the altar of duty and carry out our responsibilities with honor and dignity. In our service, we need to be polite but firm, meaning that we should be firm while carrying out our lawful duties, and simultaneously be polite while dealing with people without compromising on our principle.
Reading off from left to right, we have
Given Michael Nongrum, Premi Shilla, Pinlor Shurung Ninoram,
Rokisan Lingto, Baystar Kurba, Doman Arsangma,
Fulbakstar Shangret, Liberta Langstang,
Lamborious Nonglang, Damon Lang Shilla, Bante Bok Lingdo,
Sandur Nongplo, 5-star Sun Shilla, Ibormi Shulai,
Lakwan Sana, Risuk Mukim, Yeng Bante Milim Umlong,
Pinshai Bor Baman, Rikida Mela Mare, Deverlin Nongput,
Dakyangki Rumbai, Michelina, and Marak Dilchi CH Sangma,
Macha France Emle, Rikida Meshilla, Hamel Kaiki Sutiang,
Romibel Suchiang, Mekes Dakar, Karmi Hizron Lakyang,
Arbanus Dhar, Arkirang Lathong, Nathan Rani,
Gilbert Mukim, Keeping Stone Pakma,
Teisha France Emle, Rablang Dakar, Mebanjob Dhar,
Bines Lingdo, Chirufmi Pakinten, Darimiki Shaprang Langstang,
Markan Chirmang, Ibor Lang Kurba, Sikom Tri Maulong,
Hun Bait Mi Dhar, Resto Talang, Dike Shod Sana,
Dili Lang, Pala, Hei Burong Pan Ki Suchiang,
Yalamiki Lapasam, Ronaldsons Emle, Basham Pang Tongne,
Arbor Ki Suchiang, Ganesh Thapa, Ladei Por Bare,
Reynoldo Tangkil, Wanjam Marngar, Bichal Suchiang,
Nelson Roy Minsong, Anderson Bare, WB Marak,
Michael Angelo Karbangar, Laihun Kubru, Hey Pormi Dhar,
John Paul Shilla, Abor Lang Rinsiang, Daune Hivar,
Ithoma Armarak, Jenika Mirpet, Dabyang Nongrum,
Bison Dhar, Samho Ukma, Rolansius Dhar,
Sanitha Sangma, Siti CH Marak,
Ainami Lamin, Romi Lingdo, Wanbog Rani,
Arno Sangma, Wan Kermen Litan, Memolia Dorada Tangkil,
Dominic Richard Lingdo, Mebani Alam Langstang, Ishan Barjri, Lambon Muksor, Parade 2IC, Hirulin Kharmandai, and Parade Commander Banshamlal Kharbani.